Do you want to boost your brand identity and recognition? Try out branding. If you're a paid subscriber, you can upload your own images and graphics, as well as set up custom colors and fonts to use in your projects. When in the editor, you can access brand images and graphics from the left side panel under Add Graphics, whereas your colors and fonts can be used from the Settings panel on the right of the canvas. Users of the Enterprise plan can also customize their branded public profiles. You can set up the colors of the profile, choose a logo to be displayed, set up a custom domain, as well as pick the profile status and change profile permissions. It's also possible to set a default theme for all projects. Besides the free and pro themes, we offer custom solutions to subscribers of the Enterprise plan. To find out more about branding in our subscription plans, contact our team.